Hey, push people. So I am going to write this period 5 DBQ. And you can see I got my timer ready. I'm going to start the DBQ once I start writing it. Before I start writing it, I have my term sheet from Unit 4, period 5. And then I also have my study guide from Unit 4, or sorry, from period 5. And just in case, I have some other study guides and stuff here as well. So I start to look down here. I'm going to start the timer. I'm looking down here. Question 1. Okay. Change and stayed the same political compromises during the period 1820 and 1860. So actually, I'm going to need my period 4 stuff, which you guys should have ready because it's the assignment for today. I'm going to have some period 4 stuff ready as well. I don't maybe have my study guide done yet because it was just assigned on Monday, May 4th, but I'm going to have at least the term sheet out. Okay, you can see I started the timer. I'm not going to stop that timer until I'm done with this. But I'm going to take a quick break in recording here. I haven't looked at any of the documents yet. I'm just like, look, this is what I'm going to be writing about. Now I'm going to go look at some documents. Okay, I'm just starting to wrap up here. I'm adding on kind of a conclusion here to kind of like bring in that last historical thinking skill, kind of modify my documents a little bit. Okay, guys, so hopefully you guys can tell that I just finished this up. A couple things I did. Same as last time, I have my headphones on, but I'm not listening to music. I have both of my SFI sheets here, but I didn't actually really need to look back at them that much because I don't have to use more than those 4 SFIs and really like apply them to each document. I think if I go back through here, I'm going to see I probably have 10 or 12 different SFIs, but I just remember this time period really well and I remember all these compromises. So again, it's just like I am not like referring only to this. I'm always just thinking like what's going on in the wider time period, especially like I have a timeline in my head and I'm really using that as more of my guide rather than like, oh, I got to throw a bunch of terms in here. But if you take a look back at this exemplar, you will see I do have plenty of terms in here and I'm not slowing myself down by over using study guides and review sheets. The whole thing is to have that deep in your brain so you can use it when you see documents.